Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Hi guys, Stephen R. Ford from R. Ford Limited doing another project. It's an old steel frame table. It used to have a glass top, but that all cracked and that's gone into the bin. So I'm making a wooden top on it. And the plan is, after I make the wooden top, that I'm going to put some resin on it also. So this is just the beginning of the kitchen tabletop. It measures 900 by a meter, and it's just timbers that we got lying around the place that I found. That's the profile of the timber, and that's going to be the surrounding base. And in the middle, of course, in that square bit there, I'm going to put some design. I'm not too sure what it is. It could be rocks. It could be just anything. And then, of course, the resin goes on top and it gives it that glass look. But anyway, follow up and I will continue to update this new project. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye for now.